Hello everyone, myself Saisom Pradhan, class 8, Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya Satyavadi, and now I am going to explain about basic sentence formation skill. And in this video we will include subject, verbs, and including the verb families and members, and also the PNG method. Now we will learn about the subjects. What are subjects? The subjects are the doer of the action. The doer of the action is known as the subject, and the subjects are important parts of sentence. This means sentence cannot be formed without subject. And the sentences must have a subject part in it. And also subject is the important determinant for the sentence structure. As it is written here, this is the most important part in the formation of basic sentence structure. Now this is what the subject is, and now we will learn more about the subject. Now here you can see in this slide there are mainly 9 subjects in this approach, mainly 9 subjects, but there are many more, but here we have taken only 9, that is I, we, you, he, she, it, they. I am numbering it. I, we, you, he, she, it, they, and name of person as well as name of things. And this name of persons and name of things includes numerous of the subjects. But here it is written, but more investigation enabled us to find numerous more subjects. That is the name of the things and the name of person. So name of person involves numerous subject. How it involves numerous subject? Name of person include many things like Rama and Dama, Syama, everything else. If we go to the examples, here you can see the examples. Uh, these all are the names of the persons, and now these are the name of person, and there are numerous such names, and it is also feminine names we can take, and many more. These are the examples of the name of person which are included under the 9 subjects. And then what is the name of thing? The name of thing, here you can see all the nouns are the naming words are included. For example, if you take chair, and then also table, and also pen, and every noun, every naming words are included under this section. And now name of things include thousands of subjects. I have already discussed about the subject, and this is written that name of things also include thousands of subject. As here nouns, there are several numerous noun, countless nouns we have. So now we will proceed to the further. We will know about verbs. So what are the verbs? Verbs are all the action words are known as the verbs, and the verbs also includes the every motion, every movement which is carried out by our body. I have already discussed about this in the previous video. So there are 5 families and 32 members. As we have included in this video the total number of families and family members of the verb in this approach. In this approach there are 5 families, and in the 5 families there are total number of 32 members in the verb family. So we have taken it as the verb family, and these are the 5 families and 32 members. So now what are the 5 families? 5 families are be, do, have. These are the 3 basic verb forms, verb families which we know. Be includes is, let me is, are, was, were, be, been, being. Be, being, been. And also do verb consists of do, does, did. And he has, have, had is also included in have verb. So total number of, here we have got a total number of 14 verbs in these 3 families, and we have got 14 verbs. So now we will know what are the other members of the family and what are the other 2 families of the verb. Let's proceed further. Here you can see what are the other verbs is written in this slide. So first is the modals. What are the modals? If we go to the examples, then it is written here: will, would, shall, should. Let it be numbering. Will, would, shall, should, may, might, can, could, ought to, must, need, used to, dare. These are the complete 13 verbs. Oh, wait a minute. These are the complete 13 verbs. I have numbered it also. And also action words or verbs include B1, uh, B1, B2, B3, B4 and B5. I will discuss more elaborately about the verb forms, and so now we will calculate. In the previous slide we got 14 verbs, now we have got 13 verbs, and here it is 5. So what is the total number of verbs you can count also? So it is 32. It is 32. So now we will go to the next slide, knowing action verbs. We will know verb 1, verb 2, verb 3, verb 4 and verb 5 elaborately. So verb 1 stands for the base form of the verb. If we take an example of go, then go, and then we will get went in the B2. In the B2 we will get went. B2 is the past form of the verb, and B3 gone, because it is the past participle form of the verb. And what is the verb 4 form of this go? We have to just add s or es to the verb. If we add es to the verb, then it will be g o e and s. So now what is the verb 5? It is the verb plus ing form, means it will be going, going. So I am describing it. Go is the B1 form, went is the B2 form, and gone is the B3 form, and goes is the B4 form, and B5 form is going. So this is how we can find B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, and I think this will be helpful for the learners also. Now we will go to the next slide. That is the PNG method, and it is the most important part of today's video. P stands for person, N stands for number, and G stands for gender. So what are the person? We know there are three persons: first person, second person, third person. And also what are the number? If we go to the number, then there are singular and plural. Singular means there is only one, plural means more than one. So gender, there are four kinds of gender, we will read in the further slide. So this is used to know the person, number and the gender of the subject. What is used? This PNG method. So we will learn PNG method more elaborately. So here you can see I have written about the PNG method. What are the person and its number? Here you can see this is the first person, second person, third person, and it is singular, it is plural. These two are the number, and these three are the person. So first person, it contains I, we. It is the first person singular is I, first person plural is we, second person singular and plural both are you. So third person, it includes he, she, it, name of the person, name of the things, and this is included under the singular, and the third person plural is they. So this is the person classification as per the number of the subjects. So now we will learn about what are the gender. Let me say the genders are of four types. You can see here there are four types of gender. One is masculine, feminine, common and neuter. Masculine refers to, we can take example like men, and feminine, it states about women. Common, it tells about both men as well as women. Neuter, it tells us about the all the non-living things which exist in the world. Every non-living thing is classified under the neuter. Common, we can take example here. You can see pilot, driver, teacher. We cannot identify is the pilot masculine or feminine, so we have taken it common. Teacher is also the same. We cannot identify from the word teacher that the teacher is whether he or she is masculine or feminine. So masculine example he, Rama, Sam, etc. Feminine she, Gita, Sita, etc. Common pilot, driver, teacher, etc. Neuter table, chair, pen, etc. This is what the PNG method tells us. So that's enough in this video.